I'm here with Tucker, and today we're going to be reviewing the second toy from Hound, called Dog Brick. We reviewed the last one, so if you haven't seen the first one, go watch that one before you see this one. But if you have, then you're lucky because now we're going to get to have some fun with it. We're going to find out how it works, and then we're going to put some treats in, and then Tucker's going to find the treats. Here we go. What do you think? How do you think it's gonna be, Tucker? Awesome. It's pretty hard to get out. Oh, this is pretty cool. So it has bones, and then these oh, you're supposed to put some treats inside of these. I think your dog is supposed to use the paws to get it out, but let's put some treats inside. Number one. Yep. I also forgot to do one in the middle. It's gonna be fun, Tucker, right? Yeah, we're gonna find treats. Okay, now let's see how he does. We're back, it's me, and we're gonna see how Tucker does. Ready, Tucker? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Let's help. All right, Tucker, here, let's show you. Is he gonna do anything?
A few moments later.
Okay, so Tucker found it a little challenging. It says that it's level 2 intermediate, but Tucker is just using his head to get the treats out. So we thought of an idea. We take the bones out, and there's these the containers. They can actually slide, and we might actually try that, and we think it will be a bit easier. My rating is a 1 because it's pretty hard for Tucker. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.
1 hour later.